Hello, and welcome to the Heroes to Hives accompanying course material. On behalf of VetBiz, a Veterans Business Outreach Center, and the Heroes to Hives program, we welcome you and thank you for participating in this program. The goals of the course are as follows: an introduction to business ownership. This entire course is intended to be a 10,000-foot overview on business ownership. Grasp of fundamentals. The idea behind that being this can be applied regardless of the industry or idea. And critical thinking. Encourage critical thought of subjects covered for each individual business owner. The layout of the course is as follows: self-paced PowerPoints, 6 modules in total. The content will be delivered via slideshow and presented verbally. The idea behind that being it's presented in time increments to maximize the impact of main ideas. It's not going to be long and drawn out for no reason at all. The subject of each module is as follows: Module number 1, business ownership level set. Module number 2, finding your target market. Module number 3, monetization strategies. Module number 4, access to capital. Module number 5, assembling a team. And last but not least, module number 6, resources to jumpstart your business. Now that we've gone over the course, how it will be delivered, and the modules involved, let's go ahead and jump into the first module,